Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix FiveM when it won't open or launch, step by step. Let's get straight into it. First, click on the search bar and type View Network Connections, then open it. Once you're here, find your active network adapter, double-click on it, and select Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and open Properties again. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close everything. Next, go back to the search bar, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer. After rebooting, open FiveM and the issue should now be fixed. And that's it. That's how you fix FiveM not opening. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.